In this video, I'm going to show you a feature of Thrive themes that actually helps your page speed. Now, page speed is important with most search engines like Google and Bing because it obviously affects the viewer experience and thus affects your rankings. Now, we're going to talk about embedding videos. So if you embed a video using the embed code from Vimeo or from YouTube, now what happens when that page loads in Google or Bing? It's going to take a bit more time because it has to pull all the code to actually show the video and then run the video. So that page is going to load a bit slower, and I'm going to show you some examples in a second. Now, on this page here, I've got a test page coming up, and using Thrive, what you can do is drag the video element over here, insert a video, and then we take the embed code up here. You choose whether it's YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, and we put the code in there and press save, and the video appears. Now that video is now embedded into that page, which is great. If you've only got one video, it's normally okay. If you've got more than one video, then it's going to take a lot longer to load. But in this case, I'm just going to show you the difference. So at the moment, that page is fine. It's all pretty much ready to go. The video is there. And if I press play on the actual video, let's have a look at the preview. You can see there, the video's there. And if I press play, it will just start playing the actual video. So that's one way of doing it, but that is a slightly slower way of doing it. I'll come to that in a second. So if we now go to the second page here, what you can actually do is rather than embedding a video, you embed an image. So I'm now going to drag the image element over, put that in, this image here. So I'm going to put that image in. So it's a photo, not a video. So that's now an image, which is obviously a lot quicker to load. And I think this image is under 100 kilobytes. So once you've got the image there, you can actually go down here in Thrive to this section here, animation and action, and go to pop-ups, click on that. Then you click on open video, select source, YouTube, and then you put the code in again. And you can have these options here. Best thing to do is have it to autoplay so it doesn't kind of slow down the user experience. I normally hide everything else just to make sure they watch the video. Click apply and then save. And now what we've got is a video embedded on the back of an image. So if we look at this image on the preview, it looks no different on the pages. So if we go back to the other page, the preview, so it really doesn't look that different. So you can see there, it doesn't look a lot different. I've actually created this image using a YouTube symbol for the play button. But if I now click on that, it actually pulls the video and then starts playing it, but it opens up in a pop-up window, which I actually think is slightly better anyway. So the point of that is that on the original page here, it's an embedded video, so the search engines are having to pull that code before the page loads. And on the other page, it's just a very, very small image, less than 100 kilobytes. So the search engines are whipping through that and loading the page a lot quicker. So you can see how much this will benefit you. If you're embedding maybe 2, 3, 4 videos on a page, that's going to be a huge time savings when it comes to actually loading the page. And therefore, if you do that throughout your site, it's actually going to really help your site speed. So that'll help with your rankings and everything. So I think that's a really good feature of Thrive themes. It's very easy to actually just, like I say, embed the image instead of the actual video. So you can just click on the image, and it works on mobiles, it works on tablets as well. Okay, so now I can kind of show you the effects of that by using sites like Pingdom and Gt Metrics, and these actually test the speed and the load times of your site. So on Pingdom here at the moment, you can see that we've got the first test, which has got the video embedded there. Now the performance grade is excellent, it's A, because there's nothing on the page basically, it's just the video embedded. The load time is 1.43, it's faster than 81% of websites, and the page size is just over 1 megabyte, 41 requests. But if we go to the second one, the page with the image embedded, you can see that the performance grade goes down a little bit. I'm not sure about why that happens. But you can see the performance grade has gone down a little tiny bit, but the load time, if you look, has gone to 650 milliseconds. So it's more than halved in speed for actual load time. And now it's faster than 95% of sites. So as opposed to 81, it's faster than 95. Page size, 0.5 megabyte as opposed to 1.1, and 29 requests as opposed to 41. Now bear in mind, this is just a blank page with a video embedded. So this one has just got a video embedded, that's it. and this one has just got an image embedded. So the performance grade I'm not too bothered about. What I'm bothered about is the speed time of the page load. So that's a significant increase just by using the image method with Thrive themes as opposed to the embedded video. Okay, if we go to GT Metrics now, you can see this is the page with the video embedded, and it's got a page speed score of B, 84%, and 70% Y slow, just over 2 seconds load time, and a page of 1 megabyte, and 43 requests. If we go to the second page with just the image embedded, it's now gone from 84% to 97% on page speed. That's a massive increase. Y slow has gone up a little bit. It's improved a little bit by 8%. The load time is almost halved, and the page size has more than halved, and the requests have gone down as well. So we'll go through those again. Pingdom, you can see that we've actually got a significant improvement there. GT Metrics, it's even bigger. So you can see that the benefits of actually using the embedded video as opposed to the benefits of using an embedded image, as opposed to an embedded video are massive. So I would recommend that you get hold of Thrive themes. If you're using that already, then try this instead of embedding videos. Embed the image and then draw the image, because what happens when the page loads, it'll actually load the image. The video isn't even anything to do with that page at that point until someone actually clicks on the link to load it, by which time the page is already loaded. So it's kind of a really clever way of actually speeding up your website. So I hope that helps, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video.